How to draw rectangles. 1. Rectangles. Creates a rectangular polyline by selecting first point to start and a second to form rectangle. Use this method when you can select existing points. 2. 2D box. Creates a rectangle by specifying two dimensions. First enter horizontal dimension and then vertical dimension. Pick a point to draw the rectangle. 3. Rectangle at any angle. Creates a rectangle by selecting 3 points. Align crosshair to an angle. Invoke command, and type length and width. Or pick 3 points.